Okay, guys, so this is our basement here. This is one part of it. And then, wait, bring those pictures back, because I'm going to show them what we're going to do with those.
Absolutely, absolutely.
All right.
Come on.
I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to give you a full, a better full tour of it, but it's a full-on sink down here. These are some cabinets and things like that. Now my husband is taking y'all into the area where we want to do a theater room, okay? Okay, guys, so it's really huge in here. Look. Okay, and you can, at first, you guys, we were thinking to we're gonna put some shelving up there, and then we were thinking about letting the projector screen, I guess, show on this wall, right?
On this wall, but we're not sure if we want to do project on this wall and make it, that's why, or give us some more room and have a pull down screen that comes down here and project it from that way, because that would give us a larger screen because the throwing distance would be farther.
Okay.
But then we also plan on, you know, taking these frames right here and inserting movie posters and hanging them on the wall.
Over there would be nice, and have like the little sconces in between.
Correct. And getting some LED lighting to go in there, so that way
we can finish the ceiling and stuff. Which is nice. What
get
else?
Some good, nice carpet down
Flooring.
here, kind of deafen the sound of the theater. Of course, we're gonna have to get some speakers in here somewhere, you know, so we can get that full movie theater sound.
Okay.
Going. I mean, that's all I've thought so far.
What will we do back here?
Well, back here would be where the projector is.
You're right, because that's kind of like a shelf up there already.
And they would throw it that way.
Okay. This door was installed because they was using it for storage down here, but we're gonna turn it into a movie theater room, right, honey?
Yes.
Okay. So these are cute, like Adam said. We're gonna put those over there and put some movie theater posters in there, but we're gonna get like 2 more to fill up that entire wall. And you know, like Adam was saying, we're going to get the projector and put it back here. Okay. Okay, guys, so that we just turned off the light, and we're gonna hang a screen from the ceiling, right? About how much feet you think we need for that? All right. So Dad has the projector here, but it's gonna be on the shelf. We're gonna hang it from there and make that a full-on theater, and the seating is gonna be back here. So I think that's gonna be super cool. So we're trying to DIY it. We might put the movie posters up here or leave them on this wall. We don't know. We're getting carpet. So yeah, guys, y'all are gonna come back. This is part 1, okay? Come back to part 2. We're excited.
All right, so you guys think we should paint the walls? Let us know in the comments down below. So you follow us so that way you can keep up on the progress of the movie theater room.
Yes.
Or the theater room, as we like to call it. And you know, we've got more in store for you. Like, comment below.
And share. Yeah, like, comment in below. Make sure you share. And don't forget to what, baby? Subscribe.
Yes, and hit that notification bell.
Yes, so we have a lot to do down here. This is only part 1, okay, you guys? And we're going to turn this whole thing into a full-on theater room. I'm excited. So y'all are going to go shopping with us and everything. All right, bye.
Bye.